Ayan. So sorry for that one. All right. So again, in getting the v sub 2, okay, so you have to get this formula or the ratio formula, which is n2 divided by n1 times v1. So in here, we have a ratio of 1:2, okay? So 2 over 1 times 10. So 2 times 10 is 20 volts. So as you can see right here, from 10 volts will become double from the ratio itself. So 1:2. So for solving the PIV, so you have this formula 2 times Vm, wherein our Vm is V sub 2 minus V sub t. Okay, so V sub 2 is 20, and then V sub t is the voltage threshold of the diode. So 20 minus 0.7 is 19.3. And then 19.3 times 2 will give you 38.6 volts. All right, so that's it for the center tap full wave rectifier. All right, so after that example, of course, there's a quiz. So in here, we have a 12 volts as an AC input voltage, and then we have a ratio of 1:1, and then solve for PIV, okay, just a PIV. And then instead of having a silicon, we now have here a germanium, right? And then here are some of the one summary when it comes to formula, okay, for the half wave, and then for the center tap, and then the full wave bridge rectifier, right? So for now, we've only discussed this one actually. Peak inverse voltage, where is our V sub O? And then the output frequency, so we didn't discuss this one, maybe sooner or later. And then the ripple factor, so soon. Rectifier efficiency, this one is actually a constant value, okay, when it comes to efficiency. So 40.6% for the half wave, and then 81.2, which is just basically doubled, okay, from the half wave rectifier. So in here, you're getting less than 50% of the efficiency of the half wave. So yeah, it's still efficient, but half only. So if you want to get a more efficient rectifier, so you should use center tap and then a full wave bridge rectifier. Okay, and then in getting the VDC, the one that we discussed a while ago, so Vm divided by pi for the half wave, and then twice the Vm divided by pi for the center tap, and then the full wave rectifier. And then getting the root mean square value. So all of them are Vm divided by 2, except that for the center tap and then a full wave bridge rectifier, so the 2 here is square root or in square root. Okay, so Vm divided by square root of 2, and then Vm divided by square root of 2. This one doesn't have a square root. Okay, so that's it for this topic for today. So here's my reference where I get some of the definitions, especially the center tap rectifier. Okay, this is where I get or that topic or that chapter. So that's it for today. Do you guys have a question or clarification so far? Question or clarification, guys? All right, so none coming from Mr. Eda, none from Miss Laika, none from Mr. Tracer, Mr. Daman, none passer. Okay, that's good to hear. Actually, I like that kind of answer. None pa sa ngayon. So meaning you're going to ask soon. All right. So to those who doesn't have a question anymore, so you may now leave and then have a breakfast if you haven't eat your breakfast yet. And to those who has a question, so we have a very long time. We have actually 30 minutes to to talk. But if you don't have a question, so you may now leave. Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.